Hi guys, I was gifted this RV instant hot water heater from the seller so I could show you all the features and how we install it in this RV here. It shouldn't be too hard, but we're gonna go ahead and show you all the steps. So keep watching so you can see how it's done. All right guys, we got the box opened up. It does have an instruction manual, and we're in the process of draining the tank. We already cut off the gas, and we got to cut off the water supply to it, and we will show you the next step. All right, we are just about done removing the last screw, and then we should be able to pull out this old unit. All right, it's coming out now. Just gonna slide straight out after you get all your caulking and stuff off. All right, we got it fully out, got it on the ground, and it looks like it's gonna work out. This new water heater is the same size up and down, but it's a little long side to side, so we're gonna have to fabricate a little side piece in here for that. But we're moving on to the next step. All right, so we got it in here. It's really easy to wire up. We just found the 2 wires that were going to be your 12 volt and your ground, and then the other 2 wires that we're going to use for the controller inside. And now we're hooking up the water, and we already hooked up the gas. We're going to hook up the water next. All right guys, we got the controller all set up inside here, and you can see here that the flame is lit, water is running, and we have it set to 123 degrees. So you can see the water down here, it's super hot. Let me go show you the outside unit. Okay, we got it all installed. It looks really good. It does have a lock on it. You can tell it's on because it's blowing hot air out of here. We did have to modify this opening because it was a little wide. So the old one, all we did was cut 4 1/4 inches off of the lid of the old one and then put it in the scap, because this one's a little bit smaller than our old one, but this is going to work so much better. All right guys, so as you can see, it's all installed and working fantastic, and we are so happy that we got this done, because now we went from a 6-gallon hot water tank, so when that 6 gallons was up, you are done. With this one is unlimited hot water. I have one in the house, and now we have one in the RV, so this is going to be fantastic for us. Don't have to worry about ever running out of hot water. So if you guys have a tank heater, go ahead and convert to this one. You won't be disappointed. It'll work great, and the installation was not too hard. It was pretty easy for us, so go ahead and get it. Thanks.